Hi guys, welcome back to DivineTimesTwo, where we love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like and or find useful. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Cranberry Orange Streusel Bars, made with our whole berry cranberry orange sauce recipe. I will link the video at the end of this one. These bars are easy to make, and if you are in a rush to make something sweet and tasty, I think these bars are it. Can't wait to show you this recipe, so let's get baking. In a large bowl, I am going to add 1 cup unsalted butter. If you have salted on hand and that's all you can use, you may do so. This is softened butter. Now to this I am going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix until combined. Now that this is well mixed, I am going to add 3/4 cup of roughly chopped pecans. And this I am just going to mix it with my hand. Get all the pecans into the dough. I have lined a 9x9 baking pan with parchment paper. As you can see, I have cut the parchment paper slightly larger than the pan. This will help in taking out the slab when it's time to cut it. I am going to take half of the pecan mixture and press it down onto the bottom of the pan. When pressing down on the mixture, wet your hand. This will prevent the mixture from sticking to your hand. The mixture is the base of the streusel bars. This will also be a good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to use 1 cup orange cranberry sauce. I have a video on this orange cranberry sauce, and I will link this video of the orange cranberry sauce at the end of this video. If you don't have homemade cranberry sauce, by all means, use the store-bought one, and you will need 1 cup. Spread the cranberry sauce to within 1/2 inch of the edges. Now I am going to sprinkle the reserved mixture on top of the cranberry orange sauce. This doesn't have to be perfect, as it will spread while it's baking. This is ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown. This baked exactly for 45 minutes. I have placed it on a wire rack. I am going to leave it on the wire rack and in the pan until completely cooled. Now that the cranberry orange slab is completely cooled, let's make the icing for it. In a small bowl, I am going to add 1 cup confectioner sugar. This is 1 tablespoon almond milk. You may use 1 tablespoon water or 1 tablespoon milk. To this, I am going to add ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. I need more almond milk as it is too thick. Add a little at a time and stir. Now I'm going to place this to the side and make sure there's no lumps of sugar in the frosting. This is why I like to leave some parchment paper overlapping the baking dish, because you can take it out easily. Let's drizzle the sweet icing all over. Drizzle as much as you want. Now I am going to let the frosting set. Looks really good. I am going to use a bread knife to cut this into bars. You may cut the bars as big as you want or as small as you like. This is absolutely amazing. You get that tartness from the orange cranberry and the sweetness of the cookie. It's like a shortbread with the icing. It's wonderful. It's delicious. This is amazing. I hope you guys give this a try. And with a cup of coffee or tea, wow, even milk. You are going to love it. Your loved ones are going to love it. Your friends are going to love it. And it will be a hit for breakfast or as a dessert after Christmas dinner. Cranberry Orange Streusel Bars. You are going to love them. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.